Yeah, don't mind why the camera is so short like this, and the microphone might sound really crappy because I'm putting my iPad. Whoa, see that? Because I'm putting my iPad in my shirt while I'm recording this, so that it doesn't get covered in water. I mean, the two metal power buttons are sticking out, so whoa! Did you hear that thunder? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I had to go back in because it was too dangerous. But look at, you gotta listen to the thunder. The thunder was getting a little bit extreme, and the lightning was getting more insane, like insane in a good way, in a cool way. Like, do you hear that? Like, whoa. Look at that lightning. It's... wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, I'm gonna update if my power goes out or something.